Today, we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential and the iRobot Roomba 692. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's start by taking a look at each vacuum's design and build quality. Looking at the combo, you will notice on the top that the iRobot logo is front and center with 3 control buttons in a row above it. The 692, on the other hand, has its 3 control buttons front and center with the iRobot logo above it. The finishes are also different on both vacuums, with the combo being more matte, while the 692 is glossy. The 692 has a more dated feel, while the combo is more minimal and modern, taking design cues from the I and J series Roombas. The differences continue when you flip the units over. Looking at the bottom, you'll notice the combo has a single V-shaped brush, while the 692 has dual multi-surface brushes that auto-level. The combo also supports mopping with an included mop pad that snaps right into place. Internally, you'll find the combo has a 400 milliliter dustbin and 275 milliliter water tank, while the 692 only has a 350 milliliter dustbin. Now let's take a closer look at their cleaning performance. When measuring the CFM of both units, they were fairly close. The combo maxed out at 4.7 CFM, while the 692 peaked at 3.5. In our carpet deep clean test, the combo scored 90 out of 100, while the 692 scored 80. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums feature a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect will keep the vacuum from falling down the stairs. Both units are lacking LiDAR navigation and camera sensors to allow for advanced mapping and object recognition, or honestly, really any mapping for that matter. The good news is the combo is able to clean in a row-by-row pattern, a feature absent from the 692. Moving on, let's compare battery life. The combo is equipped with the 2400 mAh battery that can last up to 120 minutes, while the 692 is equipped with an 1800 mAh battery that can last up to 90 minutes. Regardless of model, they are both smart enough to return home and charge once the battery gets low. In regards to mopping, it's easy to refill the water tank and remove the mop pad for cleaning. Another important factor to consider is smart features and connectivity options. Each vacuum uses the iRobot Home app, which is available for iOS and Android devices to give you access right on your smartphone. Set a schedule and forget about it, view your cleaning history, and even clean with your favorite voice assistant. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The combo costs more than the 692, but it is a new release and comes with an upgraded cleaning system and mopping functionality. If you prioritize mopping and more powerful suction and slightly improved navigation, then the Roomba Combo Essential is your best bet. However, if you seek affordability with a tried and true vacuum and can forgo mopping, then the 692 offers excellent value.